ready for performance testing. Raw steel slabs are organized for laser cutting into structural panels. Laser cutters carve each panel with millimeter precision. Milling machines create structural supports with exact dimensions. Robotic arms fuse the chassis seamlessly. Panels are bent into aerodynamic shapes for the train body. Bogie units are completed and ready for chassis mounting. Hydraulic clamps lock beams for perfect chassis alignment. The elongated nose framework is secured in position by technicians. Side panels are mounted carefully onto the frame by the assembly team. Roof panels are positioned precisely with hands-on support. Robotic arms and technicians fuse the chassis seamlessly. Wheel sets are pressed onto axles with controlled pressure and precision. Suspension systems are calibrated and fitted precisely by the assembly team. Steel axles are machined for high-speed stability and quality checks. Mounting brackets are tightened to ensure perfect connection. Nose panels are welded with precise robotic arcs under expert supervision. Seams are polished for smooth aerodynamic contours with careful hand finishing. Laser alignment ensures structural accuracy across the body. Laser alignment ensures structural accuracy across the body. The car body is carefully lowered onto bogie frames with team supervision. Sealant is applied along all joints for airtight protection. Chassis assembly is complete, ready for mechanical and drivetrain installation. Traction motor components are assembled and aligned for balanced rotation. The motor is balanced to eliminate vibration at high speed. Inverter units are secured beneath the chassis frame. Power transformers are mounted and locked into position. Cooling lines are connected to regulate system temperature. High voltage cables are routed securely through protected channels. Brake modules are fitted and aligned with the wheel sets. Air lines are connected for controlled braking performance. Control panels are installed and wired for system coordination. Initial diagnostics verify electrical connectivity. The chassis moves smoothly to the next stage of assembly. Anti-corrosion primer is applied evenly across the surface. The body surface is smoothed in preparation for coating. The primer layer is cured under controlled temperature.
Panels are cleaned to ensure proper primer adhesion.
Base coat materials are mixed for consistent finish. The base coat is sprayed in controlled, even passes. Surface areas are masked for detailed paint application. Detailed paint sections are applied with precise control. A protective clear coat seals the exterior finish. The exterior finish is hardened through controlled heat curing. The painted surface is polished to a smooth gloss. The exterior finish is inspected for flawless quality. The exterior coating process is complete and approved. Seat frames are mounted securely to the floor structure. Insulation panels are placed to optimize thermal and acoustic performance. LED lighting systems are integrated throughout the carriage. Driver controls and instrumentation are installed precisely. Electrical systems are wired and organized for reliability. Brake systems are calibrated to ensure smooth operation. Essential fluids are added and levels checked precisely.
All electrical systems are tested and verified for functionality.
Seals are verified to maintain airtight integrity. Seals are verified to maintain airtight integrity. The train undergoes a controlled rolling inspection inside the facility. Interior components are finalized for fit and finish. The exterior is polished to a flawless gloss. Final inspection ensures every system meets production standards. Brake systems are tested for full operational accuracy. The train undergoes a controlled rolling inspection inside the facility. The train is fully assembled and ready for deployment. Interior components are finalized for fit and finish. Every component comes together in perfect industrial harmony. The train glides smoothly through scenic routes for final testing. Structural and ride quality are verified during operational trials. Structural and ride quality are verified during operational trials. Precision engineering ensures stability and comfort at all speeds. Train systems are synchronized for smooth station approaches. High-speed performance and safety parameters are confirmed. Passenger interiors are inspected for comfort and functionality. The Hello Kitty Shinkansen 2026 stands ready, a perfect fusion of precision engineering and industrial artistry. Welcome to this review of the NextForge high-speed train. Its aerodynamic pink and white design reduces drag for top speed. Advanced propulsion and lightweight materials ensure efficiency and comfort. This facility crafts it with precision for the future of rail.
This high-speed train's exterior is a blend of form and function. The glossy tees finish is flawless. The seamless panels and large windows show superior engineering and passenger comfort.